Pour water into the pan. Add salt. Butter.
Butter on the boiling water. Keep going until the butter is melted.
And flour. Put the dough on the table. Add vegetable oil. Knead well. Divide the dough into equal pieces. Roll out thin sheets. In the cottage cheese. Add finely chopped onion. Parsley. Chili pepper flakes. And salt. Mix well. Put a little filling on the dough. Glue the edges of the dough. Cut off the excess dough. Fry on both sides for 3 minutes. Yogurt. With grated cucumbers. Finely chopped dill. Parsley. Mint. Grated garlic. Lemon juice. Olive oil. Salt. And black pepper.